Every second your heart beats, your body works hard to keep you alive. But you are not alone inside your own skin. Tiny creatures invisible to your eyes live with you and help you survive. At first, it looks like you are just one human body, but that is not the full story. Your body is actually home to millions of tiny living things that you cannot see. What you call you is not just human cells, it is a huge community of tiny organisms working together inside your body. Let's zoom in and take a closer look at these hidden creatures. They are living in every part of you, even places you never think about. You might be surprised to hear this, but you are not a single organism, you are a walking ecosystem filled with life that is not your own. Let's start with your skin, which looks clean but is full of tiny creatures. Every square inch is covered with bacteria, fungi, and other microscopic life. When we look under a microscope, your skin becomes a whole tiny world. Millions of microorganisms live there quietly without harming you. These bacteria crawl between the tiny cells of your skin. They have been living with you since the day you were born. You cannot feel them moving and you probably never notice them. But they are always there, doing their important work to keep your skin healthy. And the skin is only the beginning of the story. These tiny creatures also live in your mouth, gut, eyes, and almost every part of your body. Your body is made up of billions of human cells, but this is only part of the truth. Alongside them live trillions of microbes that outnumber your own cells. Scientists started counting all the cells inside the human body, and the results were surprising. There are more microbial cells than human cells inside you. On average, you have around 30 trillion human cells making up your body. That is a huge number, but it is not the whole picture. You also carry about 40 trillion microbial cells that live inside and on your body. These microbes are more numerous than your own human cells. This means that inside your human body, you are outnumbered by creatures smaller than a single cell. They help you survive, but they also have their own lives. Your mouth is full of thousands of different microbial species. Every bite you eat feeds these tiny residents in your mouth. Even the surface of your tongue is covered with a jungle of bacteria. They thrive in the warm, wet environment inside your mouth. Move deeper into your stomach and life continues there. Bacteria survive in the harsh, acidic environment of your stomach. Your intestines are packed with microorganisms, making it their main city. Trillions of bacteria live here, helping your body function. Most of the microbes in your body live in your gut, where they do most of their work. They help you digest food, fight disease, and even affect your mood. You might think your eyes are clean, but they also have microbes living on them. Tiny bacteria can be found moving across the surface of your eyeballs. Blink all you want, but these microbes are not going anywhere. They have adapted to survive on every part of your body. There is no part of your body that is completely free of life. Microbes are everywhere, quietly working alongside you. Even your hair follicles host tiny mites and other organisms. They live their entire lives on your skin without you noticing. You will never feel them crawling, but they are always there. They eat oils and other materials your skin produces. Think of your body like a tiny natural world. Inside, millions of creatures are living, eating, and working every second. These microbes are not your enemies, they are citizens living in your body, keeping it balanced and healthy. Your organs can be seen as cities. The gut is the capital city, full of life and activity. This may sound unbelievable, but it is true. Your body is a living ecosystem with many species working together. Every single part of your body is connected. When one part of your ecosystem is out of balance, it affects the whole system. Food enters your body every day, but your body cannot digest all of it alone. Some foods are too complex for your human cells to handle. This is where the bacteria in our gut help. They break down the food into smaller pieces your body can absorb. Without these microbes, much of the food you eat would go to waste. They are essential for turning food into energy. They also produce vitamins that your body cannot make on its own. Vitamins like B12 and K are made by the bacteria in your gut. These microbes also train your immune system. They teach your body which germs are dangerous and which are harmless. Good bacteria you by blocking harmless germs. Without them, your body would be more vulnerable. Good bacteria protect you by blocking harmful germs. Without them, your body would be more vulnerable to infections. Your survival depends on these tiny creatures every second. Even though you cannot see them, they work tirelessly inside your body. They help keep your skin, mouth, and gut healthy. They balance the chemicals in your body and prevent illness. When your gut microbes are happy and balanced, you feel healthy and strong. When they are out of balance, problems like illness and fatigue can appear. So the next time you think about your body, remember this: you are not alone. Your body is a shared home with trillions of other lives. Antibiotics are medicines that kill bacteria, but they do not know the difference between good and bad ones. Sometimes, taking antibiotics can wipe out helpful bacteria along with harmful ones. When the good bacteria disappear, the balance inside your gut is broken. Empty spaces are left behind that harmful microbes can fill quickly. Bad bacteria grow faster than good bacteria, taking over the gut. This can make your body feel weak, tired, or sick. When your gut is out of balance, your immune system becomes less effective. You may get sick more easily because your defenses are weaker. Microbial imbalance can even affect your weight. Some people may gain weight without eating more because of these changes. The gut communicates with the brain through the gut-brain axis. When the gut is unhappy, it can send signals that affect your mood. Imbalance may even be linked to autoimmune problems. This is when your own immune system attacks your body by mistake. Changes in your microbes can lead to serious health problems. Doctors are still learning how much they affect your body and mind. But the amazing thing is that your microbiome can recover. You can help it get better with good habits and the right foods. Scientists have found ways to help restore balance in the gut. This is done by reintroducing healthy bacteria carefully into your body. One method doctors use is called a microbiota transplant. It moves healthy bacteria from one person to another to restore balance. This may sound strange or even gross, but it works. Healthy bacteria can take over and help repair the gut. When the right microbes, the gut can return to normal. This shows how powerful these tiny creatures really are. Eating foods high in fiber helps feed the good bacteria. Fiber makes the bacteria grow and become stronger inside your gut. When your microbes are strong, your body works better. You may feel healthier, more energetic, and even happier. Fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, and kefir add helpful bacteria. They are a tasty way to keep your inner ecosystem balanced. The good bacteria multiply and crowd out harmful microbes. This helps protect your gut and the rest of your body. Sleep is also important for your gut health. During rest, your body repairs itself and supports microbial balance. Stress can damage the microbiome and make bad bacteria grow faster. Calm, relaxation, and meditation can help restore the balance. Small habits every day make a big difference. Eating well, sleeping, staying calm, and drinking water all help your microbes thrive. Drinking enough water helps your digestive system work properly. Hydration supports the microbes that live in your gut. Tiny daily actions add up over time. They shape the community of life living inside you. A healthy body glows from the inside when the microbiome is balanced. Every system works together in harmony. When your internal ecosystem is balanced, your body feels strong and alive. Energy, mood, and immunity all improve. You are not just a human being, you are a host for trillions of other tiny lives that help you survive. Every creature inside you depends on you to provide food and a safe home, and you depend on them for vitamins, digestion, and health. Inside your body, it is like a busy city full of life. Bacteria work, reproduce, and communicate constantly. Repairs happen silently inside you every second. You may not notice them, but they keep your body running. Your gut and brain are connected all the time. Changes in one affect the other immediately. When your gut suffers, your brain may feel stressed or tired. When your gut is healthy, your mind feels calm and clear. If we zoom out far enough, we see that life is connected everywhere. Humans are part of a much larger natural system. The microbes inside you are not your enemies. They are your partners in keeping you healthy and alive. You are never truly alone, not even inside your own body. Trillions of tiny lives share your home every day. You are the landlord of your body, and the microbes are your tenants. Treat them well, and they will help you stay strong. Health is not about controlling every little thing. It is about cooperation between you and your inner ecosystem. The choices you make every day shape the life inside your body. Eating right, sleeping, and staying calm make a huge difference. Your microbes respond to how you live, how to live. When you care for them, they care for you. Biology is happening inside you right now. Every second, your body and the tiny creatures inside are working together. Every breath you take, every bite of food, every moment shapes your internal life. Your choices change your health, mood, and energy. Remember this, your body is not just yours. It is an entire living world full of life, constantly working to keep you alive.